Hi, everybody. I hope you had a nice weekend. This time I will be explaining the lesson from January 24 to 28, and we'll still continue working on symptoms and solutions and also how to give advice which should and shouldn't. Okay, let's see what we have for this week. As you know, we always start on our blog. So this is our blog. And I make it bigger for you. So it's symptoms and solution, giving advice. Advice means that you tell somebody, oh, you should do this. It's just an advice. If they want to do it, they can do it. If they don't want to do it, it's up to them. Okay, so let's see what we have. For Monday, we have mostly vocabulary, skill building. So I just put this one up here. I will make it bigger, but I'm not going through the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exercises. You should know by now what to do. So you have here walker, cast, crutch, band-aid, cane, wheelchair, sling. Copy these ones before you go on to the other exercises. And if you want to click and repeat after, then click on the speaker and then you can hear and repeat, practice the pronunciation. Again, please copy these ones in your notebook before you start doing the next exercises. Here you click, and then you just put it, it said sling, so I put it next to the, when you finish, you can check your answer, then you go back, and then again you go exercise number 2. So all you have to do here, take the word, put it under the correct picture. Again, you can check your answers. That was good, and go back and do exercise number 3, when you have to put the words under the correct pictures, fill in. Now you have to type in, this is a walker, this is a cane, this is a wheelchair. You just have to type it in. Okay, and then when you finish with this, you can check your answers again, and then go back and do the last one. It's dictation. So if you don't know how to spell them, if you copied them in your notebook, then it will be very easy for you to do. Okay, so this is one of the practice for Monday. Then you have another practice at the doctor and make it bigger. Again, you have the same 5 exercises up here, but first you should copy these ones. I have a cough 4 days ago, chest, cough syrup, and so on, because these are the ones that you will have to use later on, and otherwise you won't be able to do it. Okay, so these are the 2 exercises, and then also we'll start with should and shouldn't. Okay, so I will explain this more like just should means yes, do it, shouldn't means please don't do it. Okay. Then for Tuesday, we have our lesson at 9 o'clock for the morning students, 10 o'clock for the afternoon students, and I will explain more about should and shouldn't. When you have different problems, what should you do? For example, if you have allergies, you can say, I have allergies, then you can, let's see, you can maybe use, oh, sorry, you can use, let me see which one. You can use a humidifier. Sometimes humidifier helps if you have if you have allergies, or let's see another one. If you say my tooth hurts, you should see a dentist probably. You can use for the allergies also. You can use an air purifier. So if you say I have allergies, you can say you should use an air purifier. Okay. So that's what we will practice on Tuesday. Then from this paper, if you want, you can copy this in your notebook. From this paper, you can answer these, how many questions? These 20 questions. Then it gives you a problem. Please don't just say number 1 and answer. Please copy the problem and then you say what you can do. So if you say I'm coughing a lot, then you can go back to this paper and you can say, if you're coughing a lot, you can say you should, let's see which one. Like you should buy throat lozenges. That helps with your sore throat. It might help with your cough, or maybe cough syrup. Okay, we'll practice this a little bit more so we'll be able to do it. Okay, then let's see what we have for Wednesday. For Wednesday, we have should and shouldn't exercise, more practice. You have the verbs here: smoke, visit, wash, sleep, wear, go, brush, eat. You see this number 2 here means that you can use eat 2 times. Watch, drink, you can use it 2 times. Play and do. So you have to choose should or shouldn't and one of these verbs. So this one, I make it bigger. And let me see what we have here. Which one should I do? Okay, this guy wants to drink alcohol. Do you think you should or you shouldn't drink too much alcohol? You shouldn't. And then here you have drink. You can use it twice. So you can say you shouldn't. You shouldn't drink too much alcohol. So you can say you should and the verb from here, or you can say you shouldn't. I'll do one more for you. For example, you 5 fruits and vegetables every day. You should. You should. That's good for you. You should eat. And the verb will be eat. And I pick from here. Eat 2 times. I can use it. So you should eat 5 fruits and vegetables every day. Okay, good. So let's see what else we have for Wednesday. Again, should and shouldn't. So you should or shouldn't in the sentences. She has I can make this a little bit bigger, as big as I can. There you go. So she has the flu. She should stay at home or she shouldn't stay at home. This one you have to copy in your notebook and send it back to me. So if she has the flu, she should stay home. All you have to do, you just put should or shouldn't in the sentences. Okay, he has a backache. He carry heavy items. He shouldn't carry heavy items, carry in his arm. Okay, she has a headache. Take a painkiller. She should take a painkiller. Steve has stomachache. He should drink lemon and mint tea. I think he should. Okay, you have runny nose. You should blow your nose, and so on. So these ones you have to copy and just put should or shouldn't in the sentences. Okay, Alice has a cold. She should have a rest. She has a headache. She should take medicine. Okay. Okay. Then for Thursday, our class will be at 9 o'clock for the morning students, 10 o'clock for the afternoon students, and we have more exercises. I have to make it smaller. So for the morning students, this is only for the morning student, you have a doctor's appointment card, and all you have to do, copy the name of the doctor, copy the date. You remember the date, copy the same as it is here, November.19, 2020, time 9:30 a.m. Phone number here 519 with the little dashes between, and the city, and the city is London. Okay, this will be like kind of like your writing test, but in a writing test, I might ask you to copy the whole address. Okay, so this is practice for the morning students, the afternoon students. The same thing. What should I do? I broke my leg. You should go for an X-ray. I have allergies. You should use an air purifier. I feel very weak. You can say that you should take vitamins. I'm overweight. You should go on diet, and send these back to me, please, so I can correct it for you. That's kind of like practice for your speaking test on Friday. Okay, and for Friday, the morning students will have a reading and a writing test. Okay, and the afternoon students will have a listening and a speaking test. Okay, I didn't put the test up here for the morning students. I will send it out on Friday. I will show you on Thursday during our live class. I will explain it. And for the afternoon, I put up the speaking test. So what we will do, I say, hi, Ali, how are you today? And then you have to say, I'm fine. What about you? Or how are you? And you have to ask me how I am. And then I will tell you, oh, you know what, I have a toothache. And then you have to give me advice. You have to say, you should go to the dentist, for example. Okay. And it will be, I will ask you 5 of them. If the answer is good, you will get 2 points. If the answer is not good or partial, 1 or 0 points. So this will be your speaking test, and I will explain the listening test to you on Thursday during the live class, and also the reading and the writing assessment for you on Thursday during our live class. So that was it. That's for next week. I know it looks like lots of practice, but you have to practice to be able to speak better English, okay? So I hope this helped. And I will be sending the homework out every morning around 9 o'clock. And see you on Tuesday at 9, the morning group, and the afternoon group, see you at 10. Okay. And on Friday, remember, we will have a reading writing test for the morning and a listening speaking test for the afternoon students. Okay, everybody. See you on Tuesday. Bye.